Okay, so today we are replacing the light bulb in the third, whatever. Don't look in the back of that. In the hatch glass. So there are two screws here. There are two T15 star bit screws holding the plate on with the bulbs. One here, one here. Pretty short, so make sure you don't lose those. Also be careful, this is going to fall out like mine just fell on the ground. You'll see there are two. Okay, I was going to switch to LEDs, but these in particular are too long to fit between the two gaps. Otherwise I would have been able to squeeze them in like that. It's too long. I have some other ones that might work, but they might be too fat. Okay, so this is what the original bulbs look like. The other ones that just have a little... So I had two of these, I swear. I couldn't find the other one, so I went ahead and bought a 2-pack. So they just match. But they're the same width. I think this is 42 millimeters. If it's too long, it won't fit between the things. If it doesn't light up, the polarity might be switched, so you have to just reverse it. So we're going to install these. And hopefully we got a brake light on the top again. I realized that using a camera, this is also a good way to be able to check all your lights when you don't have somebody to help you, to be standing back there letting you know if your blinkers and taillights are working. However, the brake light's really dim. So I forgot, LEDs being what they are, they're very directional, so you need to tilt them 90 degrees facing straight out. So after I reinstalled the LEDs facing directly back through the reflector, we have a nice bright brake light on the top.